10 Gopher football players will not face any criminal charges in connection with an alleged sexual assault that happened in September. Hennepin County Attorney Mike Freeman made the announcement today after reviewing an 80-page university investigation. Freeman had already said he didn't have the evidence to file charges against the players back in October. Nina Moini is following the story for us tonight and has a reaction from student groups hoping this difficult period for the college can lead to a positive change.
I was pretty disappointed.
U of M student James Farnsworth and Nancy Bittens say they weren't surprised to hear there would be no charges filed against the Gopher football players accused of sexual assault.
Most of us know, obviously there was a pretty serious thing that happened one way or another. So it was disappointing to me as a student to not see that acknowledged.
Hennepin County Attorney Mike Freeman says there's not enough evidence to file criminal charges. He reviewed an 80-page report from the university's Office of Equal Opportunity and Affirmative Action. The report found the students violated school rules, and that led to the players' suspensions. Freeman said although the report shined a light on what can only be described as deplorable behavior, it did not differ significantly from the Minneapolis police investigation already conducted.
And there's two kinds of sex. There's consensual, and then there's rape. There's sexual assault. There's no in-between legal category for deplorable sex or deplorable behavior.
Bittens and Farnsworth delivered a petition to university officials this week demanding Gopher football coach Tracy Claeys be fired over his reaction to the scandal. They want university president Eric Kaler to sit down with student government leaders to discuss more ways to protect students against sexual assault.
Policies are only as useful as the people implementing them.
We reached out to the attorney for the suspended players, and he did not get back to us tonight. In a statement, the university said it respects the county attorney's decision and stressed the standard of proof is different for the university's civil internal investigation and the county's criminal investigation. Liz.
All right, Nina, thank you.